Hey guys, welcome back to GB Cars. So today I'm going to show you how to install your caliper covers on your car, and this is a very easy installation. We have the Brembo Caliper covers here. I'm going to show you how to get them onto your caliper. Okay, so when you purchase the calipers, they normally cannot fit. So you have to do a little bit of alteration to the caliper covers to get them over the caliper. Let's walk you through the process. I'm going to be cutting off this section here and down here to get them to fit over the caliper. So let's do that right now. Alright, so using my saw, took me about a minute or so just to cut out the slots right there and right there. And this is the facilitate the fitting over the caliper. Alright, so once you have cut them out, this allows the caliper to now slide over the caliper covers to slide over the calipers. So now we're going to bore two holes right here and right here, then allow for the fitment of the caliper covers over the caliper. Alright, let's do that right now. Okay, so we have just bored the two holes in the caliper cover so that it can attach to the caliper. So now we need to bore two holes here and here to then mount the caliper to some screws that I have. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so we have just bored the two holes inside of the caliper. Now we're just gonna install the caliper now, caliper covers over the caliper. Alright, let's do that right now. Okay guys, so that's how you install your caliper covers over your calipers. That's how it looks at the final step. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe now for future content. Just hit that bell notification. See you guys in the next video.